Hey there, Dr. Malka here, your chiropractor and acupuncturist. And today on Veggies in Disguise, we're going to be making kombucha squash ravioli. So you could use whatever filling you want, butternut squash, pumpkin. I'm using kabocha. It came into my imperfect produce box. But remember, there has to be veggies because it's veggies in disguise. First off, you want to cut the squash in half. That was a little too easy. Usually it's a lot more difficult than that. And then just scoop out the insides. So the squash is finished cooking. And we're gonna scoop the squash out and put it in a bowl with a half a cup of ricotta cheese, a tablespoon of chopped rosemary, and salt and pepper to taste. And just mix it up. Time to fill the ravioli. So you'll want to get some cookie sheets and put parchment paper on. And this is the easiest part. No rolling out dough or anything. It's fabulous. Just put one square down, dip your finger in some water, trace the outside of the ravioli. These are a little bit big. I usually get the smaller raviolis, but my boyfriend Johnny picked these up for me, so I didn't quite relay that to him. You can fold them over as a triangle if you'd like. I'll just put another square right on top and press it down. And then continue with the next one. Same thing. Put the ravioli down. Fill it. This time I think I'm going to make a triangle. And you can be creative with this. Put water again around the outside. So you can see I'm using my whirling dervish that I got from Turkey. You give a little shout out to Yigit, who is my tour guide. If you ever need a great tour guide, you can just Facebook me and I'll connect you with him. Hi Yigit! And this one's square, and then just continue until you either run out of filling or run out of wontons. So now we're going to bake the ravioli for 10 minutes in a preheated oven of 425. And the ravioli are done. Just a little bit crispy. So at this point, you can just pour marinara over them. I really like a brown buttered rosemary sauce. I'm nuts over rosemary, not a big fan of sage. And then, or like a cream sauce, like an Alfredo, and enjoy. We will be launching a new YouTube video every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. And I'll be available for any questions you have or suggestions for future videos.